In this video, we will demonstrate how to adjust the filter settings on an inclination sensor from SIG to obtain optimum signals. Different filter settings allow compensation of unwanted vibrations and oscillations from the signal. You can choose between two different filter types, the so-called Butterworth filter and the critically damped filter. Each filter type offers different advantages for your application. The Butterworth filter has a frequency range from 0.1 Hz to 25 Hz. This filter type is used for static applications. It generates a small signal overshoot. The unique critically damped filter has a frequency range from 0.1 Hz to 8 Hz. This filter is used for dynamic measurements where no signal overshoot can be measured. Both filters can be parameterized via the PGT12 Pro handheld programming tool. To demonstrate the different filter characteristics, two inclination sensors with two different filter settings will be moved by the same robot arm at the same time. As you can see, the critically damped filter results in a faster signal answer without any overshoot and better vibration compensation in comparison to the Butterworth filter.